Hi, welcome to WebZeno. In this video, I will share how you can add business on Google Business Profile without video verification, and you can verify your business on Google Business Profile using your phone number or email verification code. Yes, definitely it is possible in 2026 as well, because we are already adding businesses on Google Business Profile without business video verification, because our client don't have time to send business videos to get verified on Google Business Profile. And I will use my real client data in this video to get verified on Google Business Profile. So let's start the practical video and see how you can add business on Google Business Profile. So these are the businesses which are already in our Google My Business Profile Manager. These are all verified without the video verification, and you can also add your business in Google My Business Profile without video verification. You need so first you need to simply search Google My Business Profile, and you will redirect on this screen. And now you have two options: sign in and start now. And if you already have an account, you can simply sign in. If you don't have, you can click on start now. Now you need to enter your business name in your business name field, and I will copy the business name and paste it here. So after that, you need to click on continue, and it will also asking. Now you need to click on continue, and you have three options: choose online retailer, local store, services, service business. So if you are giving services, you can click on services, but I'm clicking on online retail, and now you need to click on next. Now add your website. If you have a business website, or so you can simply add it here, and you need to click on next. Now you need to select the category, and I'm giving category logistics services, and now I am on the location page. Now I have a Canada based business, so my client have a Canada based business. So I will select the Canada in my country tab, and after that you need to add the address. Remember, you need to add address very carefully, so that Google can verify your address and easily verify your location. So you have an phone number field, and you need to enter your phone number where you want to get the code, and now you need to click on continue. Now you can see you have the options of food code, email code, and business video. So definitely you want to verify it with the code. You don't want to verify it with the business video. So you need to select the food code or email code. And if you want to receive the code on your food number, you need to simply click on food code. And remember, if you are not getting these options, and you are only getting the business video option, you need to change your IP. You can simply change your device, or change your Wi-Fi, and then you need to restart the process, and you will definitely get these options. So sometimes your IP will be detected in your Google, and that is why you are not getting this option. So now you need to click on next, and you will select the text or call, and now you need to click on next. Now you need to enter your code and click on verify. Now you can see you are being verified by Google, and you need to click on next. And now you need to click on business hours, and you can on or off your days according to your business needs, and you can even select the 24 hours as well. So these are all the options available here, and you can select accordingly. So you can close on according to your business needs. So now you need to click on next, and here you can add the business description. So I already have the business description in my document, so I will copy the description and paste it here. And now I will click on the next, and you can see I have the option of storefront photo. If you have a vehicle photo or any other photo related to your business, you can add the pictures here. Otherwise you can skip the pictures. So now you can skip this portion as well. And yes, if you want to run Google ads, you will simply select the option accordingly. Now you can see business is verified within the minutes with the code. And now we are testing on another tab, and you can see here our location is showing on Google My Business Profile in a very perfect way. Website are also there, call options are also there, and address is already there. So this is the complete process which you can follow and add your business in Google My Business profile without video verification. You can simply use your phone number or email code to verify it on Google My Business profile. And this is the latest video, and yes, you can do this in 2026 as well. But remember, if you don't have the location and you are putting address fake address, then Google will suspend your Google My Business profile. So if you don't have location, you can simply select the service based business, and then you can verify your business on Google My Business profile. Hopefully now you can understand how you can add business on Google My Business profile without video verification, and you can add your business as well. So if you need any help related to website design, local SEO, or digital marketing, you can simply contact WebZeno team. And remember, consultation is a totally free. Thank you so much.